to share with you all my recipe of KOLAK Biji Salak, but it will be made from 3 types of sweet potato that's available here in Australia. Sweet potato is ubi manis in Indonesia. Let's go! One is a normal red gold sweet potato. Second is purple sweet potato, but the white sweet potato inside. And the third is white skin sweet potato, inside is purple. When you poke soft, then you know it's ready. 80 grams tapioca starch to yellow ubi, 100 grams to purple ubi, and 100 grams to white ubi. Mix well and knead the dough until smooth to the consistency of a soft playdough. Purple and white ubi sweet potato are firmer and drier texture. Thus, the extra starch and extra water needed to get smooth dough. Add about 5 or more tablespoons water until you get the texture of a soft, smooth playdough. Add a drop of pandan paste for white ubi. This is absolutely my favorite part. You roll the dough like about this size. It is very small because you do want it, when you eat it, you do want it small, so when you eat it, you just one mouthful. Drop the dough into boiling water. When it starts to float up, means it's cooked. Scoop out all the floated balls and set aside. Pour about 2/3 of a cup water, 100 grams of coconut sugar, gula melaka, pandan leaves, and I like to put lots of them. Coconut milk, about 400 ml. Let it boil for half a minute. And it's done. Texture is chewy but melts in the mouth. And with the sauce, the coconut milk and the gula melaka or coconut sugar, it makes that smooth caramel sauce. It goes really well.